Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Thomas. I'm coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com from Addison, Illinois, on this beautiful sunny 85-degree day, and my pleasure of showing you one of the nicest Novas I've come across in my collection. It is for sale. This is a 1969 Chevrolet Nova with a magnificent forest green, emerald green, the dark green color on this original sheet metal body of the car. And it's done high-end, professionally. You can clearly see that in the reflection of the paint. Love the DogDish wheels. They also are a dark green as the body, along with the caps and the red line Radial TA tires, which set it off. Look at the show finish reflection on the paint. You can shave in the paint. It is that nice. All the way throughout. Body off restoration. You can read all the details in my description. Excellent car. Excellent chrome, paint, emblems, bezels, glass, wheels, tires. All around the Nova. Here's another look at the passenger side. I mean, honestly, you can shave in the paint. You can read a book in this paint. It's a show finish. If you're picky on buying a classic car, you're gonna pay the money, but you're gonna get yourself a quality vehicle. And yes, right there, besides the gorgeous mirror finish paint, yep, has a crate 427 motor. Look at that beautiful paint reflection in the hood. Let's check out the interior really quick, and then I'll show you the engine. And yes, we are going to go for a ride today. Look at how this door opens and closes. Opens. Excellent closing. Excellent. First thing you touch on a car is the door handle. Everything's been restored inside and outside. Body by Fisher, door sill plates, excellent door jambs, inner and outer. All the weather stripping and all the trim has been replaced. Okay. Beautiful interior. Very comfy too. Love the black-faced autometer gauge-ish, showing 1,082 miles since the restoration. There's your heat defrost control and your Sanyo CD player AM/FM. Right there, boys, the Hurst 4-speed. All the seat belts are intact. Excellent dash pad, excellent tight headliner with dome light working. Rear seats are excellent condition, along with the package tray and the back door panels. All the windows roll up as they should. Nice and simple all around. Let's check out the trunk. Got one set of keys. One's for the doors, one's for the trunk. At night, this car looks black. Factory stampings in the quarters. Here's your driver's side. And obviously you can see how nice and smooth and slick this engine compartment is. Spare tire jack as well. And again, your factory numbers under the paint there. Trunk lid has been professionally painted as well. So, excellent trunk. We'll check out the passenger side. No complaints. is restored. Now, let's check out what's under the hood. Can you look at this? Look at the frame to subframe. Nice and clean. There's the only flaw in the paint right there. I do show everything, not just the good. Voila. Crate 427. Stealth aluminum intake. And it's got the Fitech right there. Fuel injection system. Chrome alternator. Chrome Moroso valve covers. Inner fenders were painted in a nice gloss black. Newer battery. Aluminum radiator. There's your power steering. There's your Headman headers, your proportion valve, and your power disc brakes. Factory code cow tag on this car is code 71, which is a Le Mans blue. But I guess somebody loved the dark green. Hood hinges are painted argent silver, which they should be, and that's how they came out from day one. Under the hood is excellent. There's your cooling fans, chrome bezels, all in excellent condition. No overheating issues whatsoever. All right, let's fire it up. All right, so again, it being fuel injected, all really you got to do, no pumping the gas, just turn the key. That's it. All your gauges are functional. Even the steering column has been painted a high gloss black. There's your left turn signal. There's the right one. Okay, and the wipers do work. Horn does function as well. Headlights are right there, and they all work. Radio functions, and also, if you're looking for heat and defrost, it is blowing. All right, there's your 4-speed Hurst shifter. Speakers in the kick panel. And let's listen to the exhaust. Let's listen to the engine. Let's go for a test drive. All right, we're gonna go for a nice test drive. Car holds at 180 temp. Nice coolant system. A lot of traffic out today. Nice and smooth. Dual sport mirrors, look around real nice, easy driving. You guys need delivery. Send me your zip code. It's that easy. All of our deliveries are insured to your doorstep, to your garage. So guys, you got a great 69 Nova, full restored, 427 crate reliable motor, big block, 4-speed, power steering, power disc, fuel injection system. You got it to be very reliable, yet you got the sound of the old school big block. And it stops really good. We'll do one more blast and then we'll head back. Miles an hour. Nice and quick, nice and easy. If you guys need financing, your credit score is a 650 to about a 725. You have to put down at least 10%. You're going to call my banker. His name is Chris Laganelli at JJ Best. His number is 508-415-1035. Get your pen handy, and I'll repeat it. If your credit score is between 650 and about 720, you're going to call Chris at 508-415-1035. If your score is above 720 and you want to put no money down, or you do want to put some money down, you can also call Lightstream, or actually go to your computer, go to lightstream.com. Fill out the application. You'll be approved in 15 minutes. They'll put the money right in your account, and then we will continue to do business. Once you get approved, call me with a deposit with PayPal. That's the only deposit that I take. I also do take Zelle and Venmo. It's up to you, whatever you have. Thing moves out, boys. It takes corners really well too. The Radial TAs hugs it really nice. Well, there you go. Seen everything. I'm gonna park it here and just do a quick walk around and then get her back in the garage. Once again, 1969 Chevrolet Nova, gorgeous original sheet metal with a high-end paint job, high-end restoration, 427 big block crate motor, 4-speed transmission, power steering and power brakes with Fitech fuel injection system. Call me, text me at 847 or 848-1850. Again, that number is 847-848-1850. For all the photos on any of my cars, go to mgmclassiccars.com. We specialize in quality and not quantity. So every car gets full attention at my place. And that's why I do the long videos and hundreds of photos, because I know you're buying and you're on the computer and you want to make sure you know what you're buying. I showed you everything on the car, inside, outside, and photos of underneath, along with my long test drive walk around video. So now it's time to get this baby into your garage. Call me, text me, 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching at mgmclassiccars.com. Please hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.